Hello, can I have a minute of your time? I'm Daddy Marlon. I have a YouTube channel.
Yeah. Welcome to my cafe.
Oh, so you're a Korean too, huh? Yeah.
안녕하세요.
Is this your first time here?
No. I was here last year.
Last year. Why?
For Nikki's wedding.
Nikki's wedding was Nikki.
It's Hannah's cousin.
Oh, is that your friend?
Yeah. She's my friend.
How about this one? Who's he?
Oh yeah, this is Hannah's brother MJ.
Yeah.
Yeah. He's a better friend.
So what can you say about the Filipino people?
Very hospitable. Very nice.
Why? Have you been in the hospitals here?
No, but my friend George has in St. Luke's. Yeah, but everyone here is very nice. Very you get a lot of good food, a lot of good feelings.
About the food, what food have you tasted here?
I had kare, sisig,
See?
lumpia, lechon, taro leaves.
Yeah, maybe you can help him. Ano pa na kain niya, bro? Lumpia.
Yeah.
Neng?
And we're trying to stay away from balut.
Balut.
No balut.
Okay.
Maybe one day.
So, what's your favorite? What's your favorite?
Definitely Hannah's mom's kare.
Why is that? Why is that? Huh?
It's really good.
You want to live longer?
Yeah. It's really good. The meat was really tender and it ran really good with the rice.
Okay, with the bagoong, right?
Even beating out Hannah's tteokbokki.
Okay, are you planning to go back here in the
Yeah,
Philippines?
definitely. I'm hoping to try.
Next week?
Well,
So are you leaving already? Huh?
yeah, I'm leaving in 4 days now. End of the week, but I'll be back hopefully next year.
So what can you say about other foreigners? Would you recommend the Philippines?
Yeah, you should come here and spend your money. You'll go far. And places, don't just stay in like BGC. You should go out there and.
So which places have you been?
So I've been BGC, El Nido, and Bohol.
Bohol, wow.
Yeah. And now we're in Batangas City. So everyone, everywhere we've been is very nice and hospitable. And I think there's still maybe a little too many Koreans in Bohol, but I think they go there for a reason. It's beautiful.
So any last tips? Any last words?
Take care of the coral. Be careful of the ocean. Don't touch and harm the nature too much.
Okay.
Make sure to come here and eat the Mary Grace. Jollibees is also really good.
Okay, thank you. So what's your name again?
Oh, Kyle, nice to meet you.
Okay.
Hello, you too.
Thank you, Kyle. Mabuhay.
Mabuhay.
Yes.
Oh yeah, please subscribe to Daddy Marlon. His videos are really good and
Going viral.
they're going viral. To show off the beauty of the Philippines and the amazing food here.
Thank you, brother.
Yeah, no problem. For my friend's wedding.
Okay, take two. Because the camera is not on yet.